What's up guys, my name is Stéphane Vial. I'm a designer and entrepreneur. If you are interested by design skills and investment, how I invest in myself every single day, I just try to learn some new skills, hard skills and soft skills. If you are interested to improve your abilities and skills as a new content creator and a digital designer or artist, you are in a good place. So don't forget to comment below if you have any question about the different topics. I just share you my experience of self-discipline, self-investment. You need to be patient to follow your process. Be patient and start. Go ahead, don't be afraid about judgment. Don't blame yourself. Do the first step, take the first decision, and just create your comfort zone. If you're interested to improve your abilities and skills, hard skills and soft skills, if you are interested to know more about how I edit my video, you can comment below right now. I wish you a good day guys. Bye bye.